Hello everyone, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we will learn how to find first non-repeating element in a linked list. So, the problem statement says, given a single linked list, we have to find its first non-repeating integer element. Let's see some examples first. We have given linked list 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 40, 30, null. First non-repeating element in the linked list is 40, so output is 40. In the second example, we have given linked list 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, null. Since all the elements are appearing more than once, there are no non-repeating element in the linked list. So output will be no non-repeating element is found. Let's see the algorithm to solve the above problem. First, create a hash table and mark all element as 0. Traverse the linked list and count the frequency of all the elements in hash table. Traverse the linked list again and see the element whose frequency is 1 in hash table. Or more appropriately, we can say see the first element whose frequency is 1 in hash table. Let's see the C++ implementation of this algorithm. The return type of this function is int, since it will return the first integer element whose frequency is 1. The function takes one argument, the head of the linked list. Inside this function, we create an empty map in which we hash all the elements to count frequencies of the elements. Initially, value of all the keys in the map are initialized to 0 by default. So in this map, keys will be data of the linked list and value will be frequency of that data. We then start traversing the linked list and will insert elements in hash table using mp_temp_data++ for all the elements in the linked list. So here temp data is key and mp_temp_data++ is value to that key. After this traversal, we will get frequencies of all the elements. Once we have got frequency of all the elements, we will again traverse the linked list, and when we encounter the first element whose frequency is 1 in hash table, we return the element and we got our desired output. Now if frequency of every element in the linked list is greater than 1, means we will not enter this if condition in any case, then we simply return -1, means no non-repeating element is present in the linked list. So this completes our algorithm. Time complexity of this algorithm will be O(n), since we are linearly traversing the linked list 2 times, which is equivalent to O(n). With this, we end our tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.